Hola, mi bishes, 'tis I, Clois, aka Manny Bish, over on Insta, and today we are doing our Manny X Me sub box unboxing. So this is the sub box from Maniology, and this month is their like state park themed. And I kind of was like, I don't know if I really want this box. I almost skipped it, but I'm glad I didn't. So you're gonna get Canteen, which is a green. And then you're going to get the brown that I missed the color of, but we'll see it in just a second. So, yeah, you know. Um, S'more. I think it was S'more. Is that what it was called? I feel like that was what it was. And it was the brown. Anyways, so you get your two little nail polish colors here. And, they, have a box where you can just get, like, if you don't want the colors, you can just get the plates. And I believe that one is $19. And then this one that I got is $25. And you get two plates, two nail polishes, and a mystery item. Now, with this, my face though, like, let's not pay attention to the reflection of my face. I have RBF first thing in the morning, and that's when I do these videos, and so yeah, it's like, ignore the face, okay? And hopefully you can't see straight up my nose. And then we're gonna do or we get this like practice book in here where you can practice your stamping and everything, which I think is actually pretty cool, because there's sometimes where I'm just like so overwhelmed with all the stamps, I don't know what to do and I don't know what's going to look good. So to be able to like practice them and see what it's going to look like, I thought that was pretty cool. And so we are now going to dip my nails, and we are just going to do boba time from Kira Sky, and we are going to do the gel method, and I'm just going to do I don't remember if it was 2 or 3 layers complete. I think it was 3. I did 3 layers of boba time on my nails, curing for a minute in between each layer. So I'm just going to be applying the gel and then pouring over the dip powder before curing, and then cleaning my cuticles and then curing, and then going on with the next layer. So, back to the like box part. The plates are exclusive. Like, nobody else can buy the plates. They will not be released at a later date or anything. It's something you can only get if you are a subscription, like, box person, like subscribed for the box. But the polishes are like early releases, so those will eventually make their way onto their website for everybody to buy. The polishes will, but not the plates. So the plates are exclusive, the polishes is just an early release, so there's that. But it's still, in my opinion, a better deal to do the box and the polishes, because you get more for your money, and the polishes themselves are like anywhere from $6 to $8 a piece by themselves. And so if you were to get just the stamps, the like stamping plates for the $19 subscription, and then buy the polishes later on your own, that's still another $16 on top of the $19. So you're spending $35 instead of $25. So, just some math food for thought there if you're kind of interested in this. Also, I do have a code for Maniology. It is just Clois. It'll get you 10% off, and I will get a commission off of that, which is just highly appreciated. Excuse my stutter. My coffee's settling in. So yeah, I appreciate that. But my code does not work on sub boxes. It only works on like regular site stuff. But if you do decide you want a sub box, the code sub5 will get you $5 off, I believe. I don't know if they change that every month, or if it's the same sub5 like every month it gives you $5 off your first box. I will leave the code in the description box. I'll go do some searching real quick after I'm done with this voiceover, and it'll be in the description box what the code is for that part. Okay? And so yeah. Also, I know I haven't been I didn't post anything this week. I'm still just moving next month, and all the things that come with that, and then, you know, my son recently being in the hospital, me recently being in the hospital, like, it's just been, like, a wild time, but, yeah. So, forgive me for not uploading any other videos this week, but here we are. I am clear capping my nails and then filing and buffing them, and now we're going to get into stamping. So, you can get this box until July 23rd. And so if you want it, you can still get it. This is for the month of July. And then after that, you get, unless you can cancel at any time, skip at any time, you can skip a month. They'll charge you on the first of the month after that. And you get a sneak peek of, like, what the next month's box is going to be on the 23rd. So, of the, like, previous month. So, like, the sneak peek for August will be on the 23rd of this month, which means you still have a week to decide if you want to cancel, skip the month, commit to the month, you know, whatever, or not. So, you still got, like, time to figure that out. So, yeah, just so y'all know. So, I'm taking this little Sasquatch guy here. I did the trees. I did the initial stamp in green, and then I am going in and reverse stamping, filling the Sasquatch guy in brown. And Bigfoot is way easier to say than Sasquatch. Let's just go with that for now. This did not go as planned. I'm just showing y'all how this, like, did not work out for this stamp. So I threw that one out and was like, nope, not doing it. And I struggled on this little guy here for a hot minute as well. And in my humble opinion, I believe that it was because my nails were too smooth, that because I buffed them, it didn't have anything to stick onto. I did not put on a sticky base coat. Should have done it. Didn't. And so here I decided, well, I don't have my sticky base coat here on my desk, I'm going to use gel base. So I applied some gel base, cured that, and then went into stamping, and everything seemed to work out a little bit better. So now that my Sasquatch guy is dried, we are going to apply him to my middle finger. We know that all of my, like, accent nails are usually my middle finger. I start with my middle finger, like, we just get that right off the bat, where I just, like, flip y'all off, bitches, yeah? I know, if you're new here, it's become, like, an inside joke that I always start with my middle finger. If you're an oldie but a goodie, well, then you already know. So, yeah. Didn't ever realize that I started with my middle finger until somebody else pointed it out, and I was like, wow, I really, like, yeah, I just start right off the bat with that. Yep. So, anywho, there's that little thing. You guys will not be seeing the mani on my left hand, so don't get your hopes up about that. That video was a poop show, alright? Just, like, straight up. It only filmed part of it, didn't film the nail art part. It, like, my phone got overheated and was a whole situation. And then you're not gonna see it. So I've been thinking about redoing it altogether, or just moving on from that mani and forgetting about it, because it wasn't anything, like, special. But anywho, so I got this like, little campsite down, and because the stamp was so big, I actually decided that I was going to use it on my pinky as well. And And so I'm going to put this down, and then you're going to see that like the little stars and moons didn't stick very well because it's like shooting stars in the sky. So I just went and tried to stick it again, and it stuck that time. So, yeah, yes. Woohoo! So now we're going back to this little van. I swear this was like my favorite stamp of both of the plates. I don't know why. I was bound and determined to have this little van on my ring finger. And dang it, I got it. And I'm in love. I just love it. I don't know, it's so cute. But, anywho, then we're going to do these little, like, raccoon paw prints on my index finger. And then we'll have our campsite nails all good and gravy. I actually really like the way this mani came out. I was glad I went with this, like, neutral background for the base. It didn't like take anything away really. I was able to stamp over it. It just all flowed and meshed really well together. I was like highly, highly happy with this mani. And so now I'm going to go in with my Mani Boss gel top coat and cure that for a minute. And then I'm going to go in with my Mani Boss matte top coat and cure that for a minute. We actually did matte nails, you guys. I was like, it screams matte. It needs to be matte. So happy I did it that way. So yeah, this is my mani. I'll have all the stuff linked in the description box, of course. Please like, comment, subscribe, help get your girl in the algorithm. Show some love. It's free to do those things. If you want to spend some money at Maniology, my code is CLOICE. And if you want to spend some money on Amazon, my link is always in the description box. And Prime Day is coming up, which, I'm gonna actually, Amazon has, like, emailed me and everything, and we've, like, gone back and forth, and, well, not, I wish I could go back and forth to Amazon. They've more or less, like, informed me. I can, and I'm eligible to make a little bit more, not significant, but a little bit more of a commission on starting, I think it started on July 3rd through the 17th. So not even just for Prime Day, but a little bit longer. So, if you guys have any Amazon things you need, you could shop through my link. And that's the mani, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, bitches!